All right, it is Monday. So this week our rhyme recognition is the new one that we practiced last week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, except we're going to do it all day, all week. So I'm going to say 3 words. You repeat back the 2 that rhyme, okay? Gate, date, good. You would say gate, date. Cliff, stiff, fit. Cliff, stiff. Bath, math, wig. You would say bath, math. Very good. Ox, fox, got. Ox, fox. Leg, feed, seed. Feed, seed. Get, neck, wreck. Neck, wreck. All right, onset fluency. I'm going to say the 3 words. You tell me the sound it starts with. All of them start with color, cast, candy. K. So I'll give a pause for you to say it, and then I'll tell you what it is, just to make sure you got it right. Bake, bend, basket. B. Tank, tower, tallest. T. Dent, dance, dine. D. Wet, water, wish. W. Okay, we're going to blend phonemes today. These are all very short words. Maybe it'll go fast, okay? So I'm going to say the different sounds, and then you're going to blend them together. I'm not going to. G, O, W, E, O, O, Sh, E, H, I, N, O, H, E, S, O. Okay, that went fast. Isolating final sounds, I'm going to tell you 2 words, and you tell me what they both end with. The final sound is the ending sound. Big hug. G. Look, hike. K. Rag. Oh, shoot, I did this wrong. So I'm going to say 2 words. You tell me if they end the same. Thumbs down if they end the same. Thumbs up if they end the same. Thumbs down if they don't end the same. Tricky. We got a new one. Big hug. Yep. Look, hike. Rag, seam. Leaf, next. House, ice. All right, we got some new things. Okay, we're going to segment. I'm going to say the word. You're going to repeat the word. I'll go like this, and you're going to chop it. Okay. Row, O. I'll do the first couple with you. C, E. Show, T, bow, my, last one, fee. Okay, now I'm going to add the initial phoneme. That means the beginning part of the word, okay? We have aim, add n to the beginning to make aim, name. We have am, add s at the beginning to make Sam. We have and, add H at the beginning to make hand. We have each, add at the beginning to make reach. We have eat, add n at the beginning to make neat. We have all, add w at the beginning to make wall. Good. Okay, now we're going to delete that beginning sound, that beginning phoneme. We have the word buy without b. What's left? I. We have the word win without w. What's left? In. We have the word pup without p. What's left? Up. We have the word hall without h. What's left? All. We have the word teach without t. What's left? Each. We have the word bit without b. What's left? It. Very good. We're going to substitute phonemes. That means I'm taking part away, putting in a different part, a new one. We have the word deal, change d to h. What's the word? Eel, heel. We have the word heel, change h to ch. What's the word? Oh, that doesn't make sense. We have the word fin, change f to ch. What's the word? Ch, in, chin. We have the word queen, change qua to s. What's the word? Seen. We have the word cane, change ka to o. What's the word? Lane. We have the word back, change ba to What's the word? Rack. Okay. And our nursery rhyme is Little Miss Muffet. I know you know this one. I'm going to just say it and then you can repeat it. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. I will see you tomorrow.